Alright, fellas. I'm recording.
But low key think we go lower.
So, I was just taking a look at the chart on my phone. I was gonna use that 5 minute for value gap as a condition, but I mean, since we respected it, honestly, yeah.
Yeah, 15-minute inverse, and we're holding downward. We have like these like relative equal lows at 590,
Yep.
and then true day open at 583, and then you just have like these internal lows all the way down into like London.
Yeah, no, I do like it, honestly. I like lower here.
Yeah, and then that 5-minute gap tab got a nice push off of it. To see what we're doing to open. From the top there, we also came off with a like midnight open, and then like the C of the daily wick from yesterday.
Okay.
And
Yeah, I mean, we also look at the daily,
also, if you
bro.
take the fib of this like 15-minute, we like we like wick the last like very last point, like the 0.79,
Okay.
and now we're back down to EQ.
We also take a look at the daily, bro. Like, the daily is just not ideal.
Yeah, I mean the daily doesn't. It just seems like we're rejecting to go higher at
Yeah.
the moment. I mean we did technically inverse daily, and we are still technically inside of the inversion, so we haven't closed back above it yet.
Oh, true. Yeah.
But yeah, the 4 hour definitely like looks odd because we flipped this 4 hour like there's a big gap, and now we're kind of like going sideways.
Yeah.
On the hourly here, though, I'm noticing obviously on ES we can see this gap is holding, but on NQ I thought we would inverse, and that would have been conditioned to like long in London or previous day.
Mm-hmm.
But we ended up like closing inside, and the next candle ended up like pushing out of it, and now we're on this third candle of the hourly gap.
Yeah, yeah, we just barely missed that close.
Yeah, but then with ES we just
Didn't even come
pretty
up
much
with one.
wave CE and then close below CE.
Mm-hmm.
So so far it looks good. And London London could be a protected low because we do have like some form of SMT there. It's not like a necessary low, but more I guess like a session SMT for AM session yesterday.
Yeah.
Uh, and then like ES on the 4 hour, like we filled this 4 hour gap which looks clean, but then with NQ like we're just super wiki.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. I mean,
I mean, if we wanted to continue higher, it would be the condition of like the 4 hour on ES that gap tap and just continuing off of it. But I mean,
if we wanted to
looking at
see,
NQ just seems like we're rejecting. What was that?
if we wanted to see higher, honestly, what I would want to see is, let me see. Hold on.
Like we would have to inverse the hourly. And it's
Yeah,
crazy because every time frame, like we closed below the gap, so we didn't inverse any time frame to the upside there.
yeah. Honestly, this is just weird. Honestly, I don't know.
I will say, I mean, at least ES is correlated, like, so it's not moving like opposite. I just want to see, I mean, this 15-minute inverse, if we hold below the inversion and stay weak, I do like the relative equal lows at 590, like those stack lows are really good.
Okay.
And then pre-market, we came and literally edged the low and then just made like another equal low. And then ES the same. We have perfect equal lows on ES at like 939.
Okay. 9:39. Yeah. This 15 minute looks wiki.
Yeah, it is wiki right now. Pretty much just a wick for that previous candle.
Yeah.
No SMT currently. We do have like a slight, I guess, like internal SMT. Like I guess on this 15 minute, if you look at the 3 a.m. candle, we traded above it, but on ES we stayed below. But I don't really consider that like a crazy SMT, but I mean it is valid since the gap is there.
We do technically have sequential SMT between 8 and 7 o'clock candle this morning, the 1 hour. So
8 and 7.
at the highs we do.
Okay, yeah, I see. You guys made like equal high there, didn't it?
Yeah, it
Oh
made
yeah, it
equal
did.
highs, yeah.
Equal highs there. And then for YM, okay, yeah, YM, same thing basically
Yep.
as a
Equal
NQ.
highs.
Yeah, but so far, I mean, they're all holding like I guess bearish out of the hourly so far.
Yeah.
I do like how London lows looks on like YM honestly, but
Um,
I can't bring myself to trade YM.
yeah.
But
Yeah.
you have like those equal lows at 129 leading into London also. Good break even spot.
We technically just closed below that 15 minute, but I don't like those wicks.
Yeah, it's the same thing with that previous candle too. Like we closed below and it was just wiki.
Yeah. It's just, yeah.
That stream audio on. Stream in the background. You'll see. I mean, if we stay weak going into the open, I kind of like lower, but London is kind of far, but like 92 points or no, like 85. Technically, when you zoom out, we're just ranging.
Yeah,
So
we're just ranging.
we'll see. I mean, yeah, I mean, it'll be easy to make a case. Either we break higher and then we can frame London high as previous day high, and then if we're going to break lower, then you have London low.
Yeah.
If you have an opportunity for those equal lows at 590, your day open at 583, it looks good. Also just like whipped off of midnight, like the way we came off midnight and then where the fib lined up as well. It's just kind of like kind of wild.
Yeah, today going into market, honestly, I can't really exactly tell. Like, it's just super 50-50. I've noticed that, like, it's just not, when it's not ideal, bro, like, it's just not worth it to even trade.
Yeah, it's,
It's just super hard to gauge price action. Like, we can make scenarios and for both sides.
yeah. It just depends, I guess, where we're like gravitating
Yep.
towards like 920, 925.
Yep.
Equilibrium's like right where those equal lows are too, to 1 point below them.
I did peep
EQ of
that.
this current range.
I
That's
did
like
peep that. That is definitely a good draw.
for me, I feel like more is lining up for lower, at least short term than higher. Like
I would
you
agree.
have the hourly gap, the 15-minute flip. We're off of midnight open, like we wicked it. We have these equal lows. True day open right below, equilibrium below.
Yeah, I do agree with
We're
you.
also coming up golden pocket at the top here. And then like for bullish case, I think the only case I can make is just that ES is coming out of a 4 hour bullish, but we also that could be due to lack of like correlation too. Hard to tell, yeah, but it doesn't look ideal.
Yeah, 4 hour. Yeah, we swept out all those lows. Yeah,
Ideally, we
ES.
just round off on this 15. Like at least it doesn't look sideways, so it doesn't look accordion. So if we can just continue rounding off and then we get strong into open, it's not bad.
No, that's very true. Yeah, let's see.
I mean, yeah, ES just looks like complete sell side. Like we just retrace on the hourly and then like, we're holding to just continue sell side of the curve potentially. Uh, and then we do technically have that NWAG still down at 431. That is kind of far, but maybe it's like a weekly draw.
31. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The week opening up, or like the weekly open, basically. Yeah. Same thing with ES. And then there's just like stacked lows going down there into like the four, like down into 455 and 460.
Yeah, honestly, lower makes a lot more sense now that I'm really looking at it. I mean, SMT's at the highs. We're
Hmm.
respecting all bearish PD arrays. I mean, we're disrespecting bullish PD arrays.
And like technically, when you zoom out, like that initial SMT that we made from, I think we made it yesterday. We made an SMT yesterday,
Yeah, yeah,
that held, and now this could just be like a retrace to continue the sell side.
yeah.
Previous week low is down at 265 as well. See them. Ideally, the 15-minute has to stop getting like wicky. ES doesn't look as bad as NQ looks like, but it has to get weak, and then it'll be easier to frame.
Yep.
And it's just like, yeah, I guess to long, like the only way I would long is either we close back above that 15 that we flipped, or we would have to like start trading above the hourly that we're holding.
Yeah, that's fair. I agree with that.
So then it's just like at that point, it's obvious that the trend is flipping. And then ideally, if we're just not moving and it's just slow, then just sit on hands and potentially just not even take anything.
Yeah. Apex just extended their sale.
Interesting. I wish I could. I honestly wish I could even just
Low
take like
key,
10 accounts with him.
I know. Low key, I did some research, bro. I don't know if you ever did this, but for some reason, some people have gotten banned. Like they've gotten payouts and then like they got banned due to the
Hmm.
fact that they were micro scalping. Did you ever micro scalp?
What is Microscope?
So like enter a position with your normal size, but you cut the trade within seconds. Like
No, I only did that with like a micro, like just for flip days, but never like actual size, like my actual size.
see, yeah, that's weird. I don't know why you got banned.
Or
It
if anything, it would be like I might have held a trade for like 5, 10 minutes and then it wasn't like playing out, so I just closed it. But then that wouldn't even be a scalp at that point.
no,
So that's weird.
micro scalping would be like you made like $1,000 in under 10 seconds, and then you just stop trading for the whole day.
Oh yeah, no. Only for flips, and even then, I'd like lose $2 on those days most of the time.
Yeah, no, that's dude. Then it has to be
I
like
honestly just think it was because of the ROI. Like, I mean,
yeah,
like I only spent 2K. I feel like if I like cycled through like a couple like evals, like and blew them, and then did that, like they wouldn't have banned me. Like I feel like if I went through like 3 sets of 20,
I agree with that
then they
honestly.
would have been like, okay, cool. But yeah,
It's so whack. It's like the casino,
it's just
bro.
fried because like I have to basically like pass multiple firms to have the same leverage versus just passing with them
Yeah.
in one go. I mean, I guess like the copy trader, but the copy trader is not like completely perfect either.
No, yeah, you're right. They're like the casino, bro. You get caught counting cards, they just refuse to pass.
Yeah, no, it's insane. Like, I should have like, I wish I like collected the metrics and stuff from those accounts. I wonder if there's a way like they'll send me that. I doubt it.
Dude, if I was
Cause I had those accounts for like 2 months straight of trading
I know.
and like pretty solid stats.
Dude, I'd just be emailing them, bro. Just email
I
them
mean, I emailed
everything.
them once and they were just like, oh, like it's under review. So whenever like it's approved, then you'll get an email. But to me, that just sounds like it's never gonna be approved.
Yeah.
Cause I don't even know what that means. Like approving what after the fact.
Yeah, I
Like I
know.
already got payouts, so they already have everything they need, like information wise. So I just think I'm banned.
Got
But
banned
I
too.
think prop firms are honestly gonna start doing like crazy like sales and like different accounts this year because they're all competing again, like, and they're all low key against Top Step now.
Yeah. Dude, I really like those Fund and X plans, honestly.
Those did look interesting. They're only around for I heard like what 2 weeks or something like that, and
Yeah.
then yeah, they do seem interesting. The payout rules are kind of like confusing to some extent though. It's like it's weird. It's like they'll like cap you out at a certain amount. Like they'll start just like picking your payout for you. So I think it's like after 4 payouts or something, it's like whatever you're eligible for is what they'll like give you as a payout or something like that.
Oh, really? I just saw
I
that
don't
it
know. I
was
saw something like that.
I saw it was maxed at 1,500 per account.
Yeah, apparently the ROI is like some insane number, but
It's
like when I was reading
125x.
through, Yeah, and I was reading through it. I didn't really like understand what they meant like after the four payouts. Like I was trying to understand that part. It just didn't make sense.
Honestly, I didn't even get that far. I just saw daily payouts and my eyes lit up.
Yeah. But it does seem good. I mean, a lot of people said like it seems like a good like route.
Some
It's
guy
like a
on
fast
Twitter.
like a fast plan.
Did you see the guy on Twitter? He
Who
bought.
already like got an account and everything.
Yeah, yeah, you saw it.
Yeah, yeah, I did see that. I think he didn't he take like gold or something, like a gold trade or something with his
I don't, maybe I don't know.
passing.
I don't remember.
It's crazy. The 1 day pass
When they
and then
passed and
the
they
same
made
day
30
payouts. I mean, that's fine.
and they made 3,500 that same day.
Holy bull run! What the? All right. I mean, this kind of helps. Like we can see what we're where we're trying to go here. I just don't like we left equal lows down there, man. That's gonna be something that might fry me from taking longs.
Well, YM's close to those lows. Let's see if we put an SMT there.
That'd be ideal, yeah.
But I do know
See,
it's
those are the 6 a.m. lows, yeah. Or we can even come back down for these like recent ones.
Oh, you're talking about lower. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, like these six, like the 6 a.m. range.
Yeah, yeah.
hmm Keep that like tiny 5 minute inverse down there, like that we just had at 9:10.
Oh yeah,
Very tiny.
yeah. I just don't like we didn't sweep any liquidity on that leg.
I mean, yeah, no, it was just the volume candle up.
Yeah. Wow, we're getting strong here.
That's fine if we're gonna hold like strength towards London. I don't mind long it. Actual London is 670, but I mean like the actual range high is 674. So I mean either way,
Yeah.
either target would work for higher. And then we could just continue higher for previous day at 708. I would have liked us to sweep something though down here, like,
Yeah.
and we still could re-sweep, but it would be kind of weird now if we re-swept to come back up from here. We'll see then.
I'm not gonna rule that out. I've definitely seen that. Resweep.
Yeah, no, it can definitely happen.
Yeah.
See where fibs line up from this little range we just made. We tap 0.618
Mm,
on this wick up here. I'm just gonna start using my fibs for like reference of ranges. So like
dude, that's
if
what I'm
something
doing.
happens and it makes sense,
Yeah.
yeah.
And looking for reactions off of them too.
So it's like boom, right? If we're up here and like we're reacting lower, then I know we came off golden pocket, and then I can start framing like a continuation
Yep.
of some
Exactly.
sort. Let's see. I mean, we're just sitting in this 15-minute inverse at the moment.
Do we got news today?
No, I think today has like pretty much no news actually. Check to make sure. Apparently Trump speaks at 2, but it's orange folder.
Today's Tuesday. Yeah, nothing today.
9:45 yellow folder PMI.
Yellow for yellow.
Probably just make like a small tiny spike, but
Yeah.
be like insane. See here. Looks like we kind of wicked up and kind of didn't hold that move that well.
Nope. Let's see.
928.
Just have the 1 minute for value gap.
We are up 6.8. And then ES, like from the top of this small range, like if you take the fib on, like basically on the hourly, if you take the fib from the top to the bottom at London, like ES perfectly held 0.618 too. Oh, holy rip.
Oh wow, yeah.
ES just looked a lot cleaner than NQ did, like at least on the hourly.
Oh, we're ripping.
We are. We'll see if we hold that for the next minute into market open. Alternatively, we also could sweep out highs, like the range high, make some kind of SMT, and then come lower as well.
True.
We'll see. Basically, we just have to see where we're gravitating towards in terms of like draw. Once we figure out draw, then we can figure out what the trade is to take.
Yeah.
I guess when you do look at the 4 hour zoom out, 4 hour did close that big gap. It would make sense from the 4 hour to grind higher. Mm. And then the daily, I mean, yeah, the daily just looks like a mess. Yeah, I mean, 4 hour did it V-shaped just very like slowly.
It did, but then we put SMTs with that high there, with
Mm.
that where we close at 4 hour. I mean, I don't know if that means anything,
And then
but
we came down pretty hard like after that as well.
yeah. I mean, let's just see what happens here because today is definitely going to be a big day. I mean, I am noticing ES is coming out of that 4 hour, so ES definitely looks
Yeah.
stronger. Like,
Yeah, I mean, if we go higher, it makes sense because ES is, holding that 4 hour. Jesus.
yeah, wow. SMT at the highs right here. Oh, this is market open.
Yeah.
Shit.
I know. Yeah, it is. All right, let's see what we're gonna do here. We did SMT the high.
We SMT the lows with
Oh,
YM.
sheesh.
We just,
670. London is coming here.
yeah, wow. We instantly put an SMT at the lows and then shot up.
Sheesh. And 674, the range high got taken there as well. SMT there though.
Yep.
See. So ideally, rule of thumb that I'm gonna start following if we have SMT at a session high or low like that. Even if I get a long opportunity, I'm just not gonna take it unless we invalidate the SMT first.
Fair. Totally fair.
Okay, reaction off of this sweep on those highs there. Those 590 lows, those equal lows are still valid, those range lows. If this is like an AMD of some sort. Let's see. Might form this like small 1 minute gap as well, 930 gap.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Would that be first? No, it wouldn't be. Okay.
Nah, yeah, it would just be like off the open. The only next draw higher I would have is 708, but I don't know. I don't want to long unless we invalidate the SMT or unless like, I mean, yeah, that's really the only way I could long. ES would have to take London out.
We have external and low key internal now. Let's see if this internal holds.
Yep, we have this 930 gap as well. See what it does. Interesting. We do have this huge 30-second gap. I probably wouldn't short off of it, but the 1 minute gap is also decent too. Doesn't look horrible. But I wouldn't have like, I don't know where I would really break even on that or where to take that short. I would have to wait.
Yeah, nah, I'm not. I don't know. Oh, yeah, YM just took out London High.
ES getting strong here.
Yeah.
Low key. And Q not so much though. So YM took out what?
London High.
1 to 9.
Yeah.
Let's see. I mean, on NQ so far, the sweep looks decent.
Yeah.
We'll just have to see ES fall and respect the SMT.
I'm looking for this 15 seconds. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to take anything off of it, but that'll definitely be like first confirmation that we're going to start going lower.
Yeah, that's valid.
We just got it here. So let's see if we start falling.
See. Using this like 1 minute gap as condition to see where we might go. We're also going to form this 2 minute. Just made it right now. So it was 2 minute, 1 minute gap overlap. Now 2 minute inverse here would be relatively clean and back into the range low.
I would definitely like that.
See what we do. Does seem like NQ is like struggling to make a move up. It's just because ES is trying to bull run. I feel like
Yeah.
now if ES just starts to fall, I think NQ plummets. because
Yeah,
this is like a strongest correlation.
yeah. We just put another SMT now there.
Yep. And he just doesn't seem to show signs of going higher. You tap a 2 minute here. And if we have a gap SMT in the 2 minute with ES, I wouldn't consider it like significant though.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe we could. How long does this 2 minute candle have? 50 seconds. It might just flush through.
15-second wizard.
15-second wizard? No way.
CISD held.
Yeah, no, it did actually.
We're getting heavy.
Yeah, we definitely are. ES is following as well.
YM's
Definitely
following.
coming through this 2 minute here. I'm gonna wait
Yeah, I'm
on this
waiting.
2 minute.
I'm still waiting too.
Let's see, because now it's starting to wick a little bit.
Yep.
ES filled the 2 minute in as well.
Remember, fellas, wicks do the damage, bodies tell the story. You gotta wait for the candle closure always.
Correct. Because that is a lot of volume to buy out there.
Exactly. Now we could totally flip it right here.
I agree. I mean, this 1 minute is my condition. ES is super strong. At least it has been. So, I mean, I could almost assume it's going to go for London, but I'll still wait on long. I kind of want it to be invalidated first, the SMT.
Fair, yeah.
And I think if we are to get like a strong push up out of this 2 minute here, like from this area, I might entertain the idea of like that 708, but we'll see. It has to be like very clean and just like straightforward up.
Like this.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Just has to hold.
Yeah, yeah. Nah, this
I haven't
doesn't.
taken the other, but I want to see. This is 5 minutes so far strong. And we got a 5 minute tap down there. Didn't even peep.
Wow.
I'm gonna take. I'm gonna take a stab at this. Just the 708. I'm not gonna put like insane risk on it just because it's we have that SMT that can still validate, but bullish structure so far is holding, so we'll see if I can get it. Break even's gonna be like weird spot because that's just like the next draw up is 708.
Yeah.
So I'll just break even off like displacement somewhere around like 690s. Unless we just die off right here. My entry's at 670, and then I just have my stop at that internal low that we made.
Okay, yeah.
It's just the only low that makes sense. Am I gonna get faded by NQ?
Wow.
Potentially. If we can get like solid push above this internal high and a close over it, I think we go. But NQ is struggling. YM doing YM is ripping still, or well, yeah, YM's up. Always just one direction with YM, bro.
It's crazy, man. It's
It actually is
unbelievable.
insane.
It's unbelievable.
Holy,
Wow.
gonna fade me. Stop loss incoming. Uh, that is not ideal.
Wow. I can't believe this.
Stop. Stop. Anytime now. They're gonna tease me. They did flip that 1 minute gap.
Yeah.
They flipped the 2 minutes does 40 seconds. The 1 minute got flipped though. It wasn't a bad flip. I'm definitely gonna get fried out of this. Just stop me if you're gonna stop me, NQ. Marcus. It's actually insane. I literally waited for the displacement, and like right after the entry from displacement, we just never went back to my entry.
I know.
Pretty fried.
This is crazy.
That's actually insane.
I know.
It's doing all of this dilly dally to stop me out. You know you're gonna take that low. Oh.
Don't say another word.
uh,
Fuck.
see, now ES is the one that's struggling to stay up. Pause. But yeah, does seem very wiki. Seems very similar to yesterday, actually.
Yeah.
Fried. Finally, like, jeez.
Wow, why am I
It's
still
teasing.
pushing up here, bro?
Yeah, it's insane. Let's see, ES starting to get a bit weak, but we're still in that 2 minute on ES. Now and then Q, we're flushing it. Hopefully. Perhaps those 590 lows will get hit.
Holy.
I mean, yeah, on NQ at this point,
Yeah, look at the 5
one would
minute.
assume. Yeah. Holy.
Yeah, wow.
That 5 minute does look kind of crazy. What the fuck?
Bro, this might be a puts kind of day.
Could be. I'm gonna wait, see if there's any kind of clean continuation to play down into those 590 lows. Mhm. 2 minute finally inverse, like a huge ass inversion, I guess.
Yeah.
It's 5 minutes, so that's 2 minutes ago. I'm just gonna wait. This just looks like yesterday, honestly.
Yeah, I'm just waiting to. This is just. We're gonna inverse first presented here. Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
I don't like it though, honestly. I don't know why.
It was just like the right at the close, it like kind of whipped down a bit.
Yeah.
Looked a bit weird.
I'm not a complete fan.
You guys did tap the 5 minute that we had on NQ. They are just discorrelated in like terms of strength though.
Wine's looking
And then we
heavy
got
here.
like we got a 2 minute CISD on NQ as well. Flip. The 5 minute flip would be ideal. I don't think we'll get it though, the way it looks.
Yeah.
First percent of inverse was
Wow.
holding.
Yeah, I can't believe it. Honestly, I don't know why I wasn't a fan.
I mean, it's just like it would just be ideal if we just got like a resweep of some kind of a low. Like we just keep edging, like even like this internal low we came down to, we didn't even like sweep it out. We just made equal low there. Holy.
Wow. Jeez.
It's a push.
I guess the 5 minute. I mean, that 1 minute was good. We were holding the 5 minute there. I just wanted to see some sort of a
Yeah,
sweep, but
especially if we're gonna come down that strong towards like the range low.
yeah, that sucks.
Just odd movement to be real.
Wow.
Jesus Christ. Almost looks like a news candle the way that just spiked up like that.
Yeah. Oh, that was 9:45 actually.
Oh well, yeah. Oh, fair enough.
Wow.
Well, it was previous day high, I guess.
I mean, wow.
Like, are we dead ass? Like,
Wow.
bro, like, no way that inversion is just like B1.
That was the one. That's crazy.
That's fucking wild. Resweep. I guess we reswept that low of day 935 candle inside the five. Flip up first presented. But I mean, bro, like some form of manipulation. We literally just kept like edging lows. We can't just do that, bro.
That's whack.
Genuinely. Oh, they're gonna edge previous day high as well. Yes, did take out London, so there's no SMT there. But if we take previous day, we'll make SMT there. And then there's like no next draw higher till what 803, 100 points away. That's insane.
I can't believe I faded that inverse.
Yeesh. Holy fuck.
I cannot believe it.
Honestly, like I was looking at it when it was about to look like it was gonna close with no top wick, and then it just like at the very last second
Yeah.
decided to wick down, and then I was like, huh.
See,
And
Yo, John.
then
that's exactly what I saw exactly too.
and like with that candle, I feel like I would have been more comfortable to take it had we swept out the lows and closed like that, and it would have been like, okay, well,
I agree.
yeah.
Slazzy, you took that?
Yo, yeah, did you take it?
No, I faded it.
Really?
I just didn't.
I was thinking about fading it, but I was in the short actually. I was targeting the 50% of the ORG and I got break even. But then I saw we had the SMT at the low and I was bullish on the day. So I actually liked that along. And it was only for me it was like I think 10 points of risk, so I was like, I'll take it.
That's
And
And I
like
just
SMT a previous day now.
yeah. Now I like shorts, okay. But I'm probably just gonna lock out and be done. Dude, I got stopped on, or I got break even by it. Literally SMT'd 1 or 2 points below, above the CE of the ORG
Yeah,
Holy,
no.
on my first trade.
this round off from previous day high was kind of insane. At least just how fast we're doing it.
Yeah.
Technically have a data low on that 945, but not really like a wick low. It's just a candle. I don't know. I just can't believe it just ripped up the previous day off of that inverse like that. That's actually insane.
I can't believe it.
What the fuck?
Wow. Wow.
Mayor dilly downing today, bro.
You guys about to take previous day, huh?
Yeah. And then ES has more draws above, like 967, 973, 979, 984. Jeez.
Wow.
And here we were thinking it was going to be a puts kind of a day.
Yeah.
And it was, I guess,
Right.
well, I guess it was not. I mean, I don't know. We're still, for now, SMT at previous day high is still there. But, I mean, it's very hard now to say shorts are good.
Yeah. No. Yeah. I mean longs. Definitely.
That too. Yeah, I mean, it's just Friday. The
Yeah,
next
maybe
draw
like
is 100 points up.
5 minute
803.
continuation or something.
Holy, we're just.
Yo, DMP, do you have a spreadsheet by any chance for monthly expenses for how you track everything or not?
Not really. I mean, like in my like bank account app, like I kind of like categorize like whatever I spend things on into subcategories. So like I can kind of just look at like what I spend there.
Oh, that's fire.
So like basically I have all my like trading like expenses under like business miscellaneous. So anything there is just trading expense.
Oh, that's fire.
But spreadsheet would probably be more like accurate to manually do it, so you know that everything is completely accurate.
Yeah,
But-
I'm starting one for this year.
Yeah, I should probably do that as well. Makes it easier. I'm also just probably gonna open up like the business checking, so like all my trading income and expenses should just be through that. So it should just everything should just be straightforward.
Yeah.
I also did something crazy today. Well, not really crazy, but like basically I tried to short, I guess, or I tried to short and then I tried that long, and then I got fried, and then I had $300 of drawdown on these accounts, and then I took a long for 5.5 R and I got them all out of drawdown by $60.
Wow.
3 mini. Look, wait, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
All right, so like I took this long here, right?
Mhm.
It was like something like this into this high
Uh-huh.
right there.
Yeah.
And then I took, what did I take? I took this short here off this like small 1 minute. I was assuming like this 1 minute here could hold us into like these range lows, and I was just gonna break even like once we came back.
I'm not gonna lie, we took the same exact trades today. The two
Yeah. So it's like that's what I'm saying. It wasn't bad. Like this idea wasn't bad, and also like this close also made me feel like I also didn't feel like we were gonna keep going. I feel like this close was gonna like make us do some BS, and then we're gonna flip lower.
Dude, same.
And then here-
same thought process, same everything today.
Honestly, here, this right here was just, I mean, I had 370 of drawdown on 150Ks. At this point here, this execution here was literally just,
Fuck it.
well,
Yeah.
we're going up.
Yeah.
There's a draw here, break even here, hold the rest to get out of drawdown. So that's what I did. I just entered here and then stopped below that candle, 12 points, and then broke even at previous day high, and then just held to get out of drawdown at this like random level.
That was
Oh, you took the long too, DMP.
Yeah, but it wasn't like a true setup. It was just kind of like a YOLO,
Yeah.
like YOLO long on these accounts.
I think I got in at like that little inverse at the bottom.
Dude, like, why does the market, like, I don't get it though. The market's been moving so fried. Like, this shit, like, in my opinion, it's like, okay, if we were going to go higher, one of the pairs should have held this 15. We flipped on every
Yeah.
pair. So I didn't like it. And then, honestly, I didn't peep this 5 minutes till like late. Like, I should have peeped this earlier. I didn't see this 5 minute when we came into it. We came in, then we just reswept, and then I guess it wasn't bad.
Well, the only reason why I was kind of bullish a little bit is because on the 4 hour we flipped that 4 hour gap, and I felt like we might like even though that big bearish candle happened, I thought we were like rebalancing it to like go continue higher. If you like look on the 4 hour.
Yeah, it was just weird because like ES tap is 4 hour. I guess technically ES is like holding its buy model, but NQ just looks like NQ just been looking garbage compared to
Yeah.
ES.
I see what you mean though about the 15. One of the pairs of the three should have held it.
And I would have liked it more if we had like inverse the hourly to go up, and we like edged the inverse, came back down, and then to rip.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's the fact that like tiny little inverse, like it just goes 70 points off that. It's just
Yeah, no,
ridiculous.
actually, like genuinely, that small
Like, dude,
inversion,
that is insane.
like actually, it's literally like a 6 point inverse, I think.
Yeah, I literally just like
Not
I
even
keep
4.
second guessing, and I actually felt like good on that one, so I just took it. Like,
Yeah, not bad, honestly. I just couldn't. I mean, on the 30-second, it looks, I guess, a little better, but I mean, what do you think, Jen? You think on the 30 it looks better?
Let me check.
30-second?
I like the idea of a sell model off of London High when it's up there because we had the S&P at the high
Where
too. But
was it leaking at? He wants
That's
me
what
to
I was
blow
thinking,
on it.
yeah. That was kind
How?
of what I was
Blow on
thinking.
substrate.
We are getting weak when we
I
struck
took
London, and then
yeah, I took that small. I took the 30-second on that big leg that swept London,
Yeah,
and I
honestly,
yeah,
that 30-second looks super clean now that I'm looking at it. But I was looking
yeah,
at the
because
1
you have
minute. Dude, I didn't like that was the first presented. I mean, I don't know.
yeah,
Like
because it
I'm
was
kicking
technically
myself,
first
but
presented because the gap,
I mean, I
the
just like the
same
1 minute
leg
because
that
it's the higher
created
time
it.
frame than the 30, but the
Yeah,
30 I guess looks better because it has like that internal high to just go break even real quick that you can't
yeah,
really see on the 1 minute really. Like on the 1 minute it doesn't. Well, I guess it looks like that, but it just looks cleaner on the 30. More structure to
yeah.
look at.
And like we had that LRL below, we had that 15-minute internal low.
It's just whack because we literally came down there and then made like an equal low to the previous 15-minute candle, like completely perfect equal low.
Yeah,
Did
So it
the
was like
1 minute alerted the long? Because we basically swept the low inside the 5 minute.
let's see if the indicator alerted. I don't even know honestly.
for the long.
Yeah,
Yeah, for the long.
Yeah, it did.
it did.
Here, look at my screen.
Um,
Oh, cool. Okay. Do you have different settings, or you just copied the John?
oh yeah, no, we got it. We got the signal.
Yeah, it was an A too.
Yeah, I don't know why
That's
it's going
cool.
away, but it was there.
Yeah,
It's
I was
pretty
looking
clean.
your screen and didn't see, so
I
that's
wish
why.
it would have been trading out of like some sort of gap or at least
The
swept this
five
low or
minute.
something
Well,
though.
that's what I was saying in real time. I wanted to see it come sweep a gap or something. Sweep a
Yeah.
low. I
Oh,
mean, we were.
we did have the 5 minute, but
Yeah,
it
that's the
was
only
it was
thing.
just kind of the open was so wicky, bro. Like that the
We
that's
saw
what
it
I'm
come
saying.
936
I hate
sweep.
when
candle
the
where like
open does shit like
yeah.
that.
And
Yeah, the 936 candle like just wicked up randomly, created that SMT, which is why I thought it was gonna flush down. And then it just SMT'd the low and just I
why
don't even
did it
know, created a
disappear
1 minute
so
gap,
fast
just
for
goes
you, John?
100 points off of it.
Oh my god.
Super weird.
Yeah, I mean it would have been better if that 15 held. Like I would have been bullish completely if the 15 was like holding into the open and we had that previous high. But once we were
Yeah.
getting weak through it, I was like, okay, well, could go for those range lows that are just stacking up equal lows. But
Yeah.
it did
It's
not
just
do
hard for
that.
me to like frame that 5 minute like fair value gap to stay bullish when we literally
Yeah,
swept London high and had, range stacked lows below. And
that's
all of the
valid.
ORG levels were below too. So but
Like look how this 15 is playing out. And we're just like complete up candles now. But it's like they did this on Friday where they ripped us up, and then when I opened the market back up, we were just all the way back down.
Yeah, I remember that.
Like, bro,
dude,
what? Like,
did you guys see Asia and London? Like one just ripped and the other one dumped. It was crazy.
oh yeah, I think I did see that.
Like
I
London
saw
literally
it.
was
It was
just
like
like one
one night
straight candle
NQ was
down.
going up, and then YM was going down as it went up, as NQ went up.
That's good.
Complete discorrelation. See now, like ES has buy side all the way up to 69.84, and it's just like just ripping up there. NQ is just kind of like it's got like high resistance until we get to like 803. Dude, I wonder what the options like look like on that just like momentum up.
I don't even. I don't even want to know.
Imagine a crazy inverse happens right here that just determines the rest of our week.
Does anyone know how to use Excel here?
I used
I
to,
do.
but
For basic knowledge, yeah.
Just forget. How do you do the function to like for just subtraction? It's just cell minus cell, right? Or is there brackets that I have to put or
Yeah.
something?
It should be cell minus cell.
It's like equals cell minus cell.
Yeah, or you do like the. It's like, hold up.
Yeah,
I literally took a
that's
class
how
on
I
this
do
shit last semester, but I okay.
I know, me too. I think it's equals cell minus cell, but it's not displaying for some reason. I'll
Don't
figure
you?
it
What are
out.
you trying to subtract? Like two different columns or something?
Yeah, I'm trying to subtract like expense to payout.
Maybe it would be like equals like if the column's like A1, it'd be A1 minus B1 or something like that. Or like you could do like the sum function.
Oh, sum function. That's what it is. I think.
Yeah,
Right?
like the sum with the equals sum, and then you do like the subtracted negative numbers or
Yeah.
something like that.
Okay.
bro, it's insane. If you know how to use Excel like crazy, like some jobs would pay you an insane salary for that.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, literally just to
Slaz,
do that.
Slaz, you just got it for me. Thank you. Sum.
Look at that,
Yeah.
W Slazzy.
W Slazzy.
Got you.
803 draw looks like it's being approached soon, perhaps.
Dang, now that I'm like looking at it, there was a lot of higher draws.
Yeah, it was just like a far gap between 708 and 803,
Yeah.
like 100 points.
Yeah, we also had like a SMT like above too. Like when we swept London, we had a fat SMT with London because ES was nowhere near.
Yeah,
That's why
I
I was
think
so
even now at this
curious.
point, I think low key, like we do still just have SMT now overall. As ES goes higher, like we just have complete divergence at like
Yeah, we
any
do.
of these highs.
Yeah, I was looking at medium time frame
It's probably
before
gonna do
we
the same
opened.
shit. Where it's just gonna like go up a little bit, chop, and then PM. Did you see what happened at PM yesterday? Like 30
Yeah,
minutes
it did.
before the session ended, it literally just created like the perfect IFVG and just dumped 100 points.
Yeah, I did see we went up and then we went straight down.
Yeah,
Looks
So you
like
it
guys
was
apparently
like
traded
gold.
so
PM?
clean. I just don't
Did we
trade
trade
PM at
what?
all.
Did we trade what? What was it? You said Ethereum?
PM,
Or
PM.
oh, PM? No, not typically. Apparently gold is moving up today. Does look interesting there. I would want to see NQ draw for 803, but also I would expect us to like end up retracing or like slowing down before then. Like I feel like we're not just gonna print just pure higher. Eventually have to come lower and like retrace or something like that. 5 minute, even maybe a 15-minute retrace once this 15 closes.
This thing is just fucking bull running. This is crazy.
Yeah. Started to slow down after 10 to 10 a.m. opened up. Looked higher. Let's see. 15-second inverse. Beering's probably short. Imagine.
He definitely took that.
You think so?
I don't know what he took.
I mean, honestly, like 10 a.m. PO3, I mean, opened up and just immediately flipped that, to be honest. I mean, hey, who knows? The risk to reward is just so good on that. I feel like you can afford to take it depending on like your trading style.
Yeah.
Man, shorts would be crazy here.
It would be absolutely insane if we just were to come down and
If
sell
we
all
just
this off.
fucking Drake candle down.
Yeah.
That'd be sick. We have a little internal SMT with the four hour high right now. With the
I'm
new
gonna
4
see
hour.
where are we on this hourly. The hourly, I mean, that close on the hourly is pretty insane. But I mean, I do think like we're gonna retrace at some point. If we just print straight higher, I mean, fuck it, I guess. But
Did you really just call out the top?
mm,
Yeah, that shit will be crazy.
Yep. The DMP top, you can see it forming already.
Might take this.
If you look at the 1 minute here, you can see the first shoulder here. on the 930 range. You can set first shoulder.
I like
We're
that.
forming the head here, and then we're gonna form that next shoulder, and then boom, 0.
Dude,
Dude, imagine patterns were that simple, like that. I mean, they are,
dude,
but
I'm about to be break even on my Kava position, bro.
Kava, that's actually insane. Weren't you down like insane? You just had to hold through it.
Dude, I don't know if you remember, bro. I was down like over 60% on my position.
That's insane. W Kava.
Dude, I got assigned from selling puts after they took a huge beating on earnings. And I was down 60%, and then I measured out the fib settings on Kava from like the last year or whatever, and we were perfectly at golden pocket, so I dumped another 2 grand into shares, bro, and I basically caught the exact bottom, and we've been just bull running from the bottom, from golden pocket.
That's actually fire.
Yeah,
Fibs work.
they really do, bro.
I mean, because all golden pocket is just you're like the 618 and like the 70, like those are just like 618 is like 62% of the range, and then
Yeah.
50% of the range, and etc. So it's literally like you're just playing the range on where like I guess like where other traders would get into the market at.
Yeah, I think it's honestly like a little psychological. Like those are areas where people, cause I don't know, I
Feel more comfortable to either buy or sell.
Yeah,
Like, bro, imagine taking a fib on like a weekly and it lines up with an EMA.
yeah. I mean, dude, that's definitely a way to trade. Like, there's so many.
I mean, it is for sure.
You know.
I just want to swing. I want to swing and just like not have to think about anything.
Mm-hmm.
Like just swing positions, and then it's like the upside potential is so far like ahead of the loss. Like you can lose like 20% on a swing and make 200% on it.
Yeah.
Versus like you take 0 days, you're either making maybe 100% or you might even just lose 100. We stalled though, but I mean we did go through this like the main draw, which is previously I guess. ES just doesn't care. ES is just ripping. But I mean, honestly, this works. Like, we get some kind of expansion out of that range we're in now in this 1 hour. And now when you look at the hourly, it almost looks like now I can't even frame shorts anymore, really. Besides like the SMTs all throughout this range, but I mean that's just like the discorrelation.
We did just put SMT at these highs.
I just feel like all these SMTs up top don't hold. I just think ES is above just because
Oh.
of like
I see what
how
you mean.
discorrelated. But like yeah, I mean I think as long as we're strong on both, like we could just assume the SMTs as we go up are invalid.
Yeah.
Now if we like make SMT and we get like a huge displacement move down and like start to flip, then yeah. I mean so far at this point, I mean ES in the 4 hour looks clean,
Yeah.
to be honest.
I was just peeping. I was just about to say our 4-hour analysis of ES was good.
Yeah. I guess that's one thing. I need to work on that too. It's like I know that ES is the cleaner one and has been cleaner to trade low key, and I just don't. But it's like I mean, ES just looks far better.
Yeah.
At least just from the high time frame like perspective. And then even ES's 5 minute tap, like look at that. We get 1 tap on the 5 minute on ES and then a like sick displacement candle out of it.
Yeah. It's unbelievable.
And we just run.
It's unbelievable. That was
I think
perfect.
I need to have better discretion there. Like I need to see which one is cleaner. Like ES it just looks better overall.
ES on that 5-minute gap tap perfectly wicked daily open, true day open.
Dude, that's insane, yeah.
To the tick.
Wow, and then like we closed back above that 15-minute inverse there too, and then wicked back in it. Like
Yeah. Wow. That small little 15 that you were saying, or the 5-minute, right? Was it the 5-minute?
yeah,
The 5-minute still held though.
it did.
Wow.
It really did. Like and then like on NQ, like see the way NQ looked, it looked like you could make the bearish case because look at the wicks. So it looked like we are gonna flip lower, and then on ES it's like it didn't have those wicks, I guess, but
we gotta stop doing that.
Oh, can I ask how was the 3 minute looking? Because
3-minute?
Doji took the 3 minute long.
3 minute long.
It must have been here in like pre-market, right?
Yeah,
Up to London
yeah,
highs.
somewhere. Yeah.
Like this right here.
The 415 one, or
Like
I think
924
that,
candle.
yeah, that was it, yeah.
oh, okay.
What do you think about this?
It was good. We were inversing this one, and then we're inversing this one right here. So the way that I look at inverses, right? It's small little market maker buy and sell models. So this was sell side of the curve right here, and then this is buy side right here. We have an obvious draw on liquidity, which is London high, and we need to see strong displacement through opposing PD arrays. So we have these two PD arrays that are holding price down, and we respect this one, come down, put in. We didn't make a new low, but then we come in this PD array, we're respecting, and then this candle closes above everything. So if you want this to be sell side, you're expecting buy side to happen with this draw on liquidity. I think this is like very clean, honestly.
Yeah, not bad.
Okay, thanks.
Well, now we just stall. I think. I mean,
Yeah, no, that's
honestly, you long here. You long in like at a premium. This 15 is gonna form like a huge gap that we could retrace. There's 5 minute. We have a lot of gaps. God, I just hate when the moves are just complete one direction and they're just like. I mean, on the way up after previous day high, we gave continuation, which is just like you're not gonna play that because there's no draw to play it towards.
yeah, no, that's true. I can't believe how much we pumped, and then dude, it's 15 second is holding.
I feel like that 944 candle, like that's like if that's a good like volume candle to take like a continuation off of like
No,
at that point you're just like
oh,
knowing that we're gonna end up
Yeah.
pumping higher.
yeah. No, you're right. I was thinking that when it was happening, like this would be a good.
And like you could just play a stop at the low of that candle, honestly, and just assume we're gonna hold strong. Like you could do a tight break even at like range high or just full hold for previous day at that point.
Mm-hmm.
Like that closed without any top. Like that's actually insane.
I know.
But then at the same time, you had news right after, so it's not like the most ideal entry to take because news could have came out and just like shot lower.
True.
But-
Very true.
It's just odd. Like I hate that the market. I guess we're so used to the market opening and just giving like a direct move to a draw, and then like now recently it's been like opening, and then we've been more so moving at the macro.
Mm-hmm. All right. I don't think there's anything left for me here.
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, I mean,
All right, fellas. I mean, it was a decent day.
Yeah,
better than
it wasn't-
yesterday.
It wasn't bad. Just the first like 10 minutes of market was just like meh.
Yeah.
Mid.
I'm gonna probably buy those Fun and X accounts.
Honestly, I might. I might. Which ones are you gonna get?
The new ones that they just came out with. I want to give them a try, honestly.
Do they only have like a? They only have 50Ks or
Yeah, it's only 50Ks. But I don't know
Which
what
one?
interesting?
the Fun and X. I don't know what the max allocation is. Do you know?
Fun and Next. I'm pretty sure on Fun and Next you can have 6 accounts. I think on Fun and Next you can have up to
300.
300.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then also
6 accounts, 300K. Isn't that what it is?
yeah, 300K. I'm pretty sure. Did you also shit. What was I gonna say? Oh, did you see also that it's like 1 day pet? So the way that the accounts are, if you just bought it regularly, the cheapest way possible, it's like $99 and 40% consistency and all this like little small little rules. But when you're checking out, you can actually add add-ons, like fucking like I don't even know how to explain it, like some
Yeah.
Oh, I see. You can do no
They have it.
consistency rule,
yeah.
and it'll add 20% extra
Yeah.
to your price, so it comes out to 120.
It's like you're
And then you
ordering.
can do no daily loss limit.
It's like you're ordering DoorDash, and it's like those add-ons, like after you check
But
out.
that's kind of crazy because, like, okay, so basically it's $100 without the add-ons, and then like after the add-ons, you're paying an extra like $50 basically.
Yeah.
But like, I feel like 150 for all in on that. How much is a take profit trader all in? Because then I feel like at that point,
It's
then doesn't take profit become better with the only like downside being I guess like trailing drawdown and maybe like 5 days pass.
yeah.
Let me see. Because what, 170, but usually there's like a 40% on take profit all the time.
Yeah. So
Honestly, that
it's
might be worth trying. I have to read more on it though, because like on paper it just seems odd. And like Funny Next did do some like didn't they do some like weird stuff moving people to live and stuff when they're building like buffers?
well, they were
Yeah, they had something like that.
they were
But
making the accounts that they came out with were super super good, and people were rinsing them, so they were like trying to
So they
force
had
it.
to do something about it.
Yeah, they
They
had
just
to
did
do
it in
something.
like kind of the wrong way. Like they did it too fast
Yeah.
in a way. I mean, these don't look that bad. It's just limited time. So if you have these accounts for like longer than the time they like offer, like you can still just like use it as normal.
Yeah, yeah.
Sure.
No,
So your
that
max size you can get is 3 minis or 9 micros.
yeah. But it's
So would you
also
take off the day loss limit then
honestly no.
for 1K?
I don't
Yeah,
think
I
I
mean,
would.
honestly, yeah, it probably isn't really. I feel like nah. I mean, you get 2K max. You shouldn't even like I guess lose 1K
Yeah,
on a given day
yeah.
technically. And then you would just take off the consistency rule
I would take off the consistency rule, yeah. But that's
for like
only for
120.
that's only for eval. So like, I mean, if you have an account that you're still trading, and then I mean, I don't know, but like, I
True.
mean, I don't know. It's also 3 minis for 3K, which is it's doable, but
Yeah,
it's a little hard.
it's hard. Yeah, if we have like a small range, it's hard. If
Yeah,
we
like
have like a huge like volatile range,
today
definitely
would be
can
the
do it.
perfect day, you know?
Yeah, like that inverse from the bottom all the way to the previous day.
Oh yeah, yeah,
I think that would give you what 70 points. So to give you like 4,200.
yeah.
That's kind of crazy. Sheesh. It could be worth it. I'm gonna look through Twitter too and see like I'm sure today like people have already used them and like passed them or maybe even got past the buffers.
Definitely, yeah. So let me know what you found on that.
But yeah, look through it.
And then all right, fellas.
Yeah. Until tomorrow.
all right,
See
bye.
you
Yes, sir.
guys. Peace out.
Later.
I with a pop jeweler, and I don't trust white people that is not Jewish. BTA, I don't even have to see booty. If I told you shut the fuck up, nigga, why your teeth moving? Nigga, I am not twin that fake.
Why didn't I get this delivery earlier where it just fucking runs? Yo, guys, send me gifts. Moscow, send me gifts. Or Musou. Alright, well, this gap clearly doesn't mean shit, so let's get rid of that. Silver doesn't respect the juice? Here's a galaxy, ha ha ha. I guess silver doesn't respect the juice, guys. Seriously. We need news that the juice just fucking seized like 400 tons of fucking silver. Instant fucking straight ripper up. And we're clipped, guys. It is like I may as well just hang myself now. Call Natayu, whatever the hell his name is. Yo, who has his number?
I think I got my swagger back. shit feel good to me. This shit means